A while ago, I was talking with an MEP specialist around data in their field. It was an interesting discussion actually. Then he showed me a shelf that he has been keeping a lot of his data. Looking at the shelf, I saw so many invoices, saw so many drawings, saw so many calculations, saw so many commercials around MEP. That struck something in me, that at times it is not a problem of availability of data. It is about the fact that what are we really doing with the data that we have right now? This curiosity is one of the things that birthed our first section with ADLM that we had around April this year, when we looked at BIM, AI, and data analytics in construction, while we integrated it into quantity surveying workflow. And this time around, we are also looking at how we are going to infuse the same into our MEP commercials and workflows generally. People that are part of the first class, they can testify to how we have been able to simplify data analytics in the construction space, and then how we have been able to integrate data analytics into our reporting system so that we can have something robust at just a view. This time around also, we are taking it a step further. This time around, we are looking at AI and data analytics in our MEP and HVAC workflow. We'll be looking at what are the parts that data analytics is playing in the commercial aspect of things. And also later on, we'll be looking at how to fully integrate data analytics itself into MEP and HVAC system itself so that we can have our system automated and seamless. Are you curious about what data analytics can do in the MEP field? Then why not jump on the next class that ADLM has specially prepared for you? And SynthAnalytics will be coming on board as your data analytics partner, where we walk you through how to do this seamlessly. For any bidders, you can jump up on this for 70,000 naira, and thus the normal price is for 85,000 naira. There are so many freebies attached to first registering with the first 20. Number one is the ADLM Revit plugin for MEP, ADLM COBie reporter. Also, we are working on a time management tracker tool that will be part of the pack for the first 20 people to register. Are you ready? Are you curious? Do you want to subscribe to curiosity about what analytics and AI does in the HVAC system? Why not jump on our next class starting on the 29th of August 2025 and see how your journey into transformation can begin? See you in class. Thank you.